A very pleasant morning to everyone. As you all know, every year we celebrate our Earth Day on every 22nd April. So today, on this auspicious day, I am going to tell you that why should we save Earth. Today, we share the earth and we share the responsibility. Our earth is the only planet with the continuity of life, so it becomes more and more important to generate a sense of urgency of saving our Mother Earth from all sorts of planet-harming activities. Our Mother Earth needs to be saved as our survival completely depends on this planet. It is our responsibility to raise awareness about saving our Mother Earth. Earth provides every resource for sustaining living things and inanimate things. Our planet-harming activities are resulting in causing an irreversible damage to the environment, which results in degradation. By taking care of this planet, we can improve our well-being, as healthy environment will help in improving the quality of our life. It is our collective responsibility to raise public responsibility regarding the well-being of our Mother Earth. Now, we have rounded up a few reasons to understand the importance of saving our Mother Earth. Its only place to live in. We all are aware of the fact that this is the only planet where life is possible. It is the only home we all have, and that is why it is highly important to take important measures to save this planet. Second, biodiversity. One of the basic things that plays essential role in survival of all sorts of living beings is biodiversity. Because of biodiversity, our planet, we all are able to coexist together. All variety of plants and animals are able to exist together due to diversity of life. It gives us food and water. Saving our earth and its environment becomes highly important as it provides us food and water to sustain life. Our well-being solely depends on this planet. It gives food and water to all living things. It is our responsibility to take care of it. The only way to honor our Mother Earth is by raising awareness among the people about saving environment and our Mother Earth. People around the world should understand the need of greener and cleaner planet. We all need to fulfill our responsibilities, make ample efforts to protect our Mother Earth from planet-harming activities. So take care of our Mother Earth and raise awareness among people also. Thank you and have a wonderful day.